Hey, what's up guys? You're back with your man Tech Nick, your go-to guy for videos on the latest tech. But today won't so much be a video on the latest tech. This phone, the Honor 10, actually released 3 months ago, and about a week ago they got their bigger brother, the Honor Note 10 out, which I did an unboxing and a review for you guys. Now the Honor Note 10 is right here, and this would be my go-to budget phone for under $400, as this is the same price with the 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gig version, the one that I have right here in Midnight Black. My friend actually said that he needs to get his father a new phone, the best possible phone for under $400, which is around 2,800 Chinese RMB. And the biggest thing, it needed to have top of the line specs, but under 6 inches. Now we know that this thing is bordering 7 inches, so this is a no-go. And though I would say that the Honor Note 10 is better in every way, its specs are still exactly the same. It has better cooling, it has the liquid cooling, it has GPU turbo, but this has it as well. It has an AMOLED screen, that's the biggest thing, and obviously that massive battery. But otherwise, these phones are pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing of the Honor 10. Now, obviously this is not a huge wow factor, you know, I'm sure you guys have seen this plenty of times before. Here's the device right over here. So there it is, I've got it here. Let's whip this right out there. There we go. Wow, it's really nice. I can see why, you know, I mean, big phones are cool, but a nice small handy phone like this, it fits right in your hand, and it just feels right, you know. So let's put that aside, pop the rest out the box over here. We've got, I am Honor. That's cool, I guess. NFC for sure. Like I said, all the specs are the same except for pretty much the cooling, the dual speakers, and the massive AMOLED display. Got a nice little clear cover over here to show off its design, which is also nice. Okay, and then we've got the no earphones again. We've got the USB Type-C, which is a nice bonus, and we've got the same charger that comes with this guy, which is the Huawei Supercharge right over there. So we've got everything packed in here as you would expect from an Honor phone, which is Huawei's sub-branded company that we have. So yeah, this phone checks out all the right boxes. And now the reason I'm doing this unboxing is I want to know from you guys, do you actually want a review on this phone from me? I mean, it's a great phone. This is pretty much the P20 without the lavish brand name and those crazy Leica dual lens cameras. This still has an incredible camera setup, and it still packs in all the same features of the Huawei P20, not the Pro, but the P20. Similar specs to the Pro though, since they use the same chip, which is soon to be replaced by the Mate 20 by the end of the year. So yeah, I mean, this is a great little phone. You still get your fingerprint sensor at the bottom. There's no AMOLED screen, there's no dual speakers, you only got the one. But you have NFC, you have USB Type-C, you have I mean, you can get the one that changes color, but I mean, even this black one, it does reflect, like, it looks like triangled grays bouncing. It's really cool. This design is really quite nice. But I mean, if you look at the size difference of these phones, just look at this. This is huge. This is a massive difference. So if you don't want this 7-inch phone, this should be the phone that you run to. This is light, easy to hold, it's got a nice screen, and it has a fingerprint sensor at the bottom, which many people still actually love. So, do you want me to make a video for you guys on why I think this is the best budget phone you can get under $400? Or do you want me to do a full-fledged review on this thing? So please let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and give me a like. Thanks guys, until next time, this is Tech Nick.